Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today at the market, we're doing the opposite of adding. We're taking away 3-digit numbers. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Subtracting 3-digit numbers, using place value to subtract, taking away step by step, and solving without regrouping. So we're removing coconuts one place at a time. We always subtract by place value. Let's subtract 345 minus 123. Step 1, subtract the ones. 5 ones minus 3 ones equals 2 ones. Step 2, subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. Step 3, subtract the hundreds. 300 minus 100 equals 200. So the answer is 222. Let's do another one. Let's subtract 556 minus 443. Step 1, subtract the ones. 6 ones minus 3 ones equals 3 ones. Step 2, subtract the tens. 5 tens minus 4 tens equals 1 10. Step 3, subtract the hundreds. 500 minus 400 equals 100. So the answer is 113. Remove ones from ones. Remove tens from tens. Remove hundreds from hundreds. Everything stays in its place. Let's sing the subtraction song.
Start with ones, take away. Tens next, do the same way. Hundreds last, now you see. Subtract step by step. 1, 2, 3. Keep it lined, nice and neat. Place value makes it complete.
Subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. 456 minus 234. Correct, 222. Challenge 2. 789 minus 345. Correct, 444. Challenge 3. 620 minus 310. Correct, 310. You're subtracting big numbers. Let's review what we learned today. You subtracted 3-digit numbers. You used place value to subtract. You took away step by step, and you solved without regrouping. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For subtracting 3-digit numbers, you earned the Subtraction Starter Badge. Great work. Next time, what happens when we don't have enough to take away? We'll regroup. See you in Lesson 8. Bye, explorers.